Platypus Water Wheelchair item 9581. This high quality wheelchair is suitable for pools with a ramp and for swimmers who can't use the stairs. The disability support worker carefully directs the water wheelchair down the pool ramp backwards to maximise safety. This wheelchair is lightweight, rust-proof and easy to manoeuvre. Suitable for hydrotherapy pools, leisure centres, showers and outdoor environments. The support worker positions the water wheelchair near a support railing and folds the footrests up for easy and safe standing transfers. This water wheelchair has user-operated brakes on each side and a lap belt to ensure safety. To exit the pool, the support worker positions the water wheelchair behind the swimmer with the foot plates up. After the swimmer sits down, the support worker connects the lap belt and adjusts the strap and lowers the foot plates while holding onto the wheelchair the whole time. This water wheelchair is suitable for beaches, salt pools and chlorinated pools. The tyres are solid so they'll never go flat. Remember, when exiting the pool, push the Platypus Water Wheelchair forwards up the ramp. Remember, when entering the pool, walk the water wheelchair backwards. Need a waterproof wheelchair? Try Theraquatics Platypus Water Wheelchair.